So Bhanu,
Yeah, tell me.
how do you feel?
Awesome, man. It's so awesome to be here at this time.
Which lake is this?
This is Tamdil Lake in Mizoram.
Okay.
This is one of the few lakes you'll find in Mizoram,
Mm.
and awesome scenery. As you can see, all these, what do you say, hills around this, and we got a boat here.
Show me the boat, Dan.
See, this is the boat.
Okay.
We have to pedal it to move into the lake. The lake looks pristine, and you have lotus flowers here, and there is something else there. Okay.
So people, we are here in Saitul, and this is our first time in Tamdil and our first time in Saitul, right?
Yeah.
And this is my friend Bhanu Prasad from Hyderabad. Now I would like to ask something about how do he thinks about Mizoram as a whole, like things he, like
Yeah,
as
and
a whole, his perspective about Mizoram.
See, one thing I like about Mizoram and its people are, they are very friendly, right? Everyone, you just have to talk to them, that's it. But the problem with the mainland people like me is, I don't understand the language. But the plus point is, many of the people knows English.
Yeah, true.
So,
So what you're trying to say is that the Mizo, we need to, learn of the Hindi, right? Like,
yeah.
for
If you